We're sipping on sunshine. We wanna taste all this world as the offer. Unafraid, we were made to wander. We will never let it go to waste. No, we're never gonna let it fade. We wanna taste all this world as the offer. When we run out of wine, we'll be sipping on sunshine.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the Oregon coast. So I am here at the Heceta Lighthouse near Florence, Oregon. I have actually been here in Oregon for 2 days now. I just haven't filmed anything yet. So I arrived after Pinedale, the last video you saw. I drove to Idaho. I was in southern Idaho for a day. After that, the next morning I drove about 7 hours all the way to the Crater Lake area of Oregon in the south. I was way too tired to set up and camp again after that really long hike in Pinedale. So yeah, I just got a motel. I was supposed to get up early for Crater Lake photos at sunrise, but because I got a motel, I decided to sleep in, get my money's worth out of that bed. And I ended up going to Crater Lake later in the afternoon. It was like between 11 and 2 that I was there. I still got some cool photos, so I'll throw those Crater Lake photos up right now. In 5 days, I'm going to be in Portland, and I'll be picking up my friend Nolan, who's joining me on this trip for about 2 weeks. I have tonight reserved at Washburn State Park, which is about 15 minutes further north of me here. I'm going to be photographing a little bit right now, but the main point of me being here in the middle of the day was I had lunch, and then I wanted to scout it out, see what locations would be best for sunset later. And now I'm charging my drone in the car, and I'll be flying the drone here in a couple minutes when one of the batteries is fully charged. But welcome to the video. We're gonna be photographing the Oregon coast. Hopefully you like the drone footage. So I'm gonna go check out the Heceta Lighthouse from the air.
She breakfast in the morning, we got everything we need. We're living in the moment. We were born with gold on the inside, gold on the inside. We're
So I'm on the hike up to the lighthouse. I actually did not end up bringing the drone with me because the sun went behind the clouds and we still got another good like hour and a half until sunset. So I'm gonna snap some photos up here and then I'm heading back down to the car in the parking lot, and that's where I'll fly the drone from. But yeah, now I'm actually approaching the lighthouse. So actually being up here, there really aren't many photos to be had because you're so close to the lighthouse. It is really cool. It has some cool architecture, but as I'm saying that, guys, right in front of me is a set of stairs that goes up on the hill behind the lighthouse. So let's take that, and I think I'll hopefully get a better viewpoint. Okay, wow, we are very high up now. There's the lighthouse below me. I'm pretty much eye level with the tip of the lighthouse. Still does not make the best photos. I think if I head a little bit further up the hill, there might be something to shoot through, maybe get these trees in the foreground with the lighthouse behind them. Right now, I'm only getting that bush right there and then kind of just emptiness of the ocean behind. So I'm gonna keep walking up the hill and see if there's some sort of foreground to find of the lighthouse. So I'm just waiting here for my rice to cook, living the camp life, cooking at my sunset location. Sunset is so late now that it's really hard to plan meals around photo shoots. So I'm kind of just chilling here for sunset. I figured I would be flying the drone right about now, but there is a whole bank of low, dark clouds that I was kind of shooting in during most of the day today.
20 minutes later.
That low bank of clouds I was talking about has not cleared out. It's still right on the horizon, so that absolutely killed the sunset. I'm only 2 minutes down the road, so I'll come here for sunrise, see what it looks like, fly the drone a little bit, and hopefully we get some good photos.
The next day.
Good morning from camp, everybody. I was supposed to be filming this at sunrise at the lighthouse, but waking up at 4, I checked the weather, just literally looked up because I'm only 2 minutes down the road from the lighthouse, and there was no sun, no light, nothing. Just low, thick clouds, pretty much what was killing the sunset last night, but directly above us. And then I woke up again at 6, thinking that maybe it'll be clear, I'll still get some morning light then. Still completely clouded in. Yeah, so I made the the executive decision to not shoot sunrise. I think that I made the right decision because, to be honest, I had a really good night's sleep. I woke up this morning feeling 100% rested, and I'm actually still kind of waking up from this morning. I had some cereal and everything for breakfast, but I think we got some pretty good stuff yesterday. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching. Coming up next is going to be waterfalls here in Oregon. It's going to be over a course of 4 or 5 days, and I'm probably going to just put them all into one video. It's going to be like shooting the iconic waterfalls in Oregon. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new here. Let me know which photo was your favorite down in the comments below. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video from here in Oregon. See you guys there.